Okay, so today we're going to talk about file structure and why it's very important to have. It will always be secure if you want to reopen your file later on. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's jump into my computer and I can show you how to do a proper file structure. I'm always editing from my hard drive. You don't have to do that. You can just do it on your desktop. So actually, let's just do it on the desktop. There's a folder. This video will be called file structure. So I just name it that. And I go in there, make a new one. I will call that project files. Then I have one for my sound. Then I have one for my footage. Then I have one for my exports. And then I have one for my After Effects. Okay, so inside sound, I can make one named music and I can have one called sound effects. An important thing inside my footage is if I use multiple cameras, I will have one called Sony A6300, which is my main camera. Then sometimes I use my vlogging camera called the RX100. Sometimes I use my drone, so that's called Mavic Pro. And then inside of that, maybe I have been on vacation for like, let's say 2 weeks. Then I could have one which was like day 1 to 3. Because that's when my SD card fills up. So, and then from 3 to 6, and so on and so on. Sometimes I just have it like 1, 2, 3. But if you shoot a lot of footage, it would probably be better to just like do a 1, 2, 3. And I could do the same in here. So I'm gonna open my edit program. I will call it file structure as well. And wasn't there, it was here. File structure, project files, select folder, and I'll click OK. And here I'm going to show you an example why it's very important to always have the files in the same folder. Let's say that was some things, oh, I really want to use this photo. I'm importing it. I want to use it here in my video. Oh, that looks really good. Then let's say later on, I'm like, oh, why do I have this on my desktop? I need to clean up. And I will just move this into some folder. Then I'll go back and I will be like, oh, the media is offline. Let's say you had footage all over your computer and you have graphics, you had songs. You would have to sit and link them all individual. So to avoid this, having to link from different places, it just makes so much more sense just to have everything in your main folder. And that's how you structure your videos all the way from the start of making your folder structure and all the way into your editing program. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.